Okay, when we try to create an expenses, what we need to do is, or we will just click create. Once you are in a in a new claims mode, then you need to key in all this claims dash October slash 2018. This is my test. You don't have to just follow. So you normally need to just key in claims dash the month slash the year. Then you select the product, which one? Let's say marketing expenses. How much is the claims? Then you have to select your project code. Okay, select the project code Coca-Cola. Then select the month. Then select the year. Oh, and then later on, then you have to uh, once you have key in all this, then you have to save it, and then you submit to the manager. When you're in the manager mode, or you shouldn't see this approve and refuse. The reason is because I'm in a manager mode, so I'm able to see it. Only manager will be able to approve or refuse. But anyway, so continue from where we are at just now. We can continue to add the rest of our claims. Let's say you have other receipts, or you can come here, add an items, pick the items, right, and then you can click create, and you create, and then come back to the same again. Then you have to just key in, claims. What is that? Then you have to just select, and then key in the rest, another receipt, right? And then attach your receipt. Let's say for example, one more. Let's say marketing expenses, the next one, right? Then maybe 50, or maybe this one is actually something else. Let's say it's actually tall or something. Okay, tall. So tall expenses, tall claim. Or this one you don't have to fill in. It's actually auto for you. If let's say you select this, right? Let's say this one is 50. Okay, again, select the. If let's say it's applied to this project code, if it is, then you select it. Select the month. Key in the year, right? Then you save and close it. So you have to, continue to do, until you everything, you have entered everything, and then you save it. So once you save it, it's already, so it's like previously that you can continuously enter your other receipt. Okay, and that's all.